One of the largest multi-state operators in the industry is Curaleaf. After growing fast out of the gate, the publicly traded company is now reorganizing before it's listed on the Canadian Stock Exchange. There's a business difference now between Curaleaf Holdings and Curaleaf USA. When it comes to these huge public companies, we go to our Wall Street expert, Doug Miller, for his High on Wall Street segment. Here he is.
I'm Doug Miller from High on Wall Street with this week's cannabis stock report for Weed Talk News. That's right. Curaleaf Holdings had to do some reorganizing of its U.S. operations, Curaleaf USA, among other things, to receive approval to trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange, the TSX, which it started trading on 12/14/23 under the stock ticker CURA. The reorganization involves a third party investor, which is not affiliated with the company, to be issued one share of Class A voting stock for $1 million. Prior to the investment, Curaleaf Holdings held 100% of issued and outstanding shares of Curaleaf USA. The investment resulted in the conversion of Curaleaf Holdings shares into 999 shares of Class B non-voting stock. The investor now holds all of the issued and outstanding Class A voting stock and voting rights of Curaleaf USA. Curaleaf Holdings holds all the issued and outstanding Class B non-voting stock, which represents 99.9% of the economic ownership of Curaleaf USA. The Class B non-voting stock does not provide for voting rights, but are exchangeable in the shares of Class C voting and common stock of Curaleaf USA at any time. As a result, Curaleaf and Curaleaf USA entered into a protection agreement which restricts certain changes in Curaleaf USA's business operations and financial decisions without approval from Curaleaf Holdings. Curaleaf Holdings and the investor of Curaleaf USA also entered into a shareholders agreement with respect to Curaleaf USA to outline their rights and responsibilities regarding Curaleaf USA. Now, I hope that makes a little bit of sense, but if not, here's what's important, and that's the stock chart. Last week, it was trading around $4.33, and I said it's actually looking good as it's moving up, but they always want to pull back. So be sure to lock in profits. Well, it went up to about $4.75, and now it's pulling back and dipping. It is trading around $3.75. So I hope you locked in those profits. And that's this week's cannabis stock report. Reporting for Weed Talk News, I'm Doug Miller.